Hey creators, coaches, and faceless video builders. Welcome back to BlackSattai AI. If you've ever said, today, we're reviewing Pictory AI, a smart tool that turns your long-form content into ready-to-post videos with voiceovers, visuals, subtitles, and music, all automatically. Magnifying glass. What is Pictory AI? Pictory is a browser-based AI tool that takes any blog post, script, or transcript, and turns it into a video. It's built for speed, automation, and zero editing skills. No timelines. No downloads. No pro video editor needed. Hammer and wrench. How to use it. 1. Go to Pictory.ai. 2. Choose your starting point. Article to video, script to video, video to highlights, edit video using text. 3. Paste your content. 4. Pictory automatically breaks it into scene, adds stock visuals, syncs subtitles, adds background music, lets you pick a voiceover or upload your own, then just export, and your video is done. Man technologist who should use Pictory. 1. Movie camera faceless YouTubers. 2. Teacher coaches and course creators. 3. Writing hand bloggers who want to repurpose content. 4. Mic podcasters turning transcripts into shorts. Upward trend marketers building fast social content from scripts. Checkmark pros. 1. Brain smart scene breakdown. No timeline dragging. 2. Studio microphone built-in voiceovers or upload your own. 3. Framed picture massive stock library. 4. Receipt auto subtitles for accessibility. 5. Cell phone great for shorts, reels, TikToks, or full-length videos. Anti-clockwise arrows repurpose blog posts instantly. Cross-mark cons. 1. Cross-mark voiceovers can sound robotic, unless upgraded. 2. Cross-mark scene transitions can feel repetitive. 3. Cross-mark limited control over finer editing. No timeline trimming. Cross-mark not ideal for complex storytelling or multi-speaker edits. Closed lock privacy note. You upload your text, scripts, and videos are processed in the cloud. Don't paste private or sensitive client content unless you're on a business plan. Pictory doesn't train its models on your content, but always read the fine print. BlackSattai Verdict. Pictory AI isn't for filmmakers. It's for content creators who want to get it done, fast. If you've got value in your words, and just need a way to convert it into engaging video, this is one of the fastest pads out there. No fluff. No editing fatigue. Another tool. Another truth. This is BlackSattai AI.